Kandinsky. Is it raining at your house today? How has the weather been? Well, it's springtime, so the weather can be kind of crazy. One day it can be raining, one day it could be sunny and warm, and maybe it could even snow. Who knows? Today I'm going to read you a book about the rain. It's called Let It Rain. Let's get started. Let it rain. It's spring. What are they wearing for the rain? Well, let's take a look. She has on a rain jacket and a rain hat. This little boy has on looks like a poncho. And what is he carrying? What is she carrying in her hand? Yes, an umbrella. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips and honeybees. Have you seen some flowers growing outside and some maybe frogs being born? Digging and tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. It's the time to plant your garden in the springtime. Digging up the dirt, planting the seeds, and watching your vegetables and your fruit grow. How nice! What are you growing in your garden? But then, heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Oh no, fungo. It's raining, and what are they doing? They're by the window. Do they look happy or sad that it's raining? They look sad, but I bet the garden is happy. Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer, fun. Picnics, swinging in the sun. Doesn't that look like fun? What is your favorite thing to do when the sun comes out after the rain? Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens, and little chicks. We know that lots of baby animals are born in the springtime. What is your favorite baby animal? Building, painting way up high. Our little house in the sky. What do you think they're building up high in the sky? It looks like a tree house. A house built high up in a tree. Have you ever seen or been inside of a tree house? I have. But then, black flies, spiders, little ants, crawl inside our farmer pants. Oh no! Little bugs come out to play, and you might find them in your way, maybe inside your pants or on the floor of your house. Be careful for these little guys. They can be really pesky. They come out in the springtime. Let it rain. Riding, gliding, cupcake treats, twirling, dancing, bebop beat. Lots of playing when the sun comes out after the rain. But soon, steamy, hot classroom, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. After the spring, at the end of the spring, it gets pretty hot. Hooray, hooray, last day of school. heading to the, you guessed it, swimming pool. Do you like swimming in a swimming pool? It's so refreshing when it's hot outside. Summer is coming, so let it shine. We just started spring, and so the rain is needed to grow the flowers and the vegetables. But soon, summer will come, and then we'll go in the pool and cool off. Let's enjoy the springtime, boys and girls, whether it's raining or it's sunny or it's snowing. Okay, let's do a spring drawing, a rain drawing actually. Would you like to do a rainy day drawing with me? I'll show you how. Okay, boys and girls, now that we've read the book about rain, maybe you can do a rainy day drawing. Take a piece of paper, any colored paper, and get out some markers or colored pencils or crayons. And what you're going to do is draw a picture with someone holding an umbrella. Now, if you have at home a cupcake liner that looks like this, you can use it for the umbrella. If you don't have one, just draw an umbrella, okay? If you do have a cupcake liner, you just have to fold it in half and fold it again so it looks like this, okay? Do you see what I did here? And then you're going to glue it with some glue. You're going to glue it to your paper anywhere you want on your paper. Do you see what I did here? I glued it down and then I drew the handle to the umbrella and I drew a little girl, a bunny, some flowers, some rain clouds, and some rain coming down. I can't wait to see your rainy day drawings. Please send them to me, okay? And have a fun time doing it. Thanks, Kandinsky. We'll see you later.